Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson of L. Hutchinson Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to make earrings out of plastic bags. I'm a big fan of recycling, and I love any project that uses trash to make a treasure. Today I'm going to use a plastic bag, some cardboard recycled from a cereal box, scissors, flat nose pliers, needle nose pliers, a hole punch, a jump ring, and an ear hook wire. So I've already begun by cutting out this shape out of the cardboard and wrapping it by cutting a strip of plastic out of a plastic bag. And I've begun to wrap it, and I'm going to continue to do so. I'm using a bright yellow plastic bag. They come in all kinds of colors. Next time you get a really colorful one from a store, perhaps a metallic one, you might decide to put it on the side and make something like this out of it. So you just keep wrapping it. Oh, also, I almost forgot, I'm going to need some hot glue to secure the end. So I'm going to keep wrapping it. When you're working your way around the corners, you want to make sure you pull it tight. So once you have the entire piece covered with the plastic, you're going to secure it in the back with just a dab of the hot glue. You're going to pull the plastic over that and hold it in place for a moment till it dries. Then I suggest wrapping it around and doing that one more time, just to get a really secure hold. You don't want too much tension on the glue. And then any excess you can just trim off with your scissors. Like that. If it's sticking up a little bit, just go in with a little more glue. Be careful not to hold the plastic bag against the hot glue gun too much. You don't want it melting onto your glue gun. Okay, so once you have your little decorative hoop there, you can just go in with your hole punch. You can do it on a diagonal. I'm going to do it this way. You can measure it if you want to be exact. I'm just going to eyeball this. There you have your little hole. Now I'm going to take, if you get strings from the glue, you could just pull those off really easily. I'm going to take my pliers, pull apart the jump ring, place it through the hole, put on my ear wire, close up the jump ring, and there you have an earring made out of recycled plastic bags. My name is Linda Hutchinson, and thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.